Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install the Matrix CAD libraries into your 3Shape software. Let's start. Open the 3Shape Dental System control panel and go to the Import and Export menu. Click on the Import Materials and select the latest version of our Matrix libraries. In this case is the 2.1 version. Let's open this window, and then you can see that here we want to import the 3 Dental Matrix libraries version 2.1. Let's click on Import, and once the libraries are imported, we can check if everything was correctly installed. In this case, we are going to go to Home button and then into Implant System. Here we can see that all the Matrix libraries for the platform 37 and also for the platform 45 were correctly installed. Now you are ready to design all your Matrix prosthetic with the right Matrix libraries. Thank you.